Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. Let's explore nature and learn about different animals.
Hello, Earthling! I'm making a game about animals who live all around the world. Can you first help me test out the game? Then, can you try to build your own levels? Each animal is looking for something it needs to survive. Some animals are looking for food. Others need to build nests for their babies or form groups to stay safe. Which animal do you want to be?
There are 8 to choose from. Why don't we start with crested hawk eagle?
Eagle eyes. Do you want this level to be easy or hard? You can also make your own level. Stay away from animals that might eat you.
That's what we need to stay away from.
Find this many materials for your nest.
We need 16 materials.
Tap to go down.
Okay, 16 materials. Let's do this. There's 1, 2, 3. That's what we need to stay away from. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We just stay 11, 12, 13. Stay away from that. Let's keep going straight. Do you see any more? 14, 15. We need 1.
You collected enough material to build your nest.
Let's choose a different animal.
School days.
How about rainbow parrotfish?
Stay away from animals that might eat you.
Looks like we need to stay away from the shark and anemone.
Add this many animals to your group.
We need 6.
Tap to go down.
Let's get started. We need 6 other rainbow parrotfishes. So there's 2 that I see. There's 1, 2. Oh, there's a shark. One got in. There is 2 more. Let's go down, down, up. That's 3, 4. We need 2 more. Let's stay away from the shark. Oh, it got 2, but we added 2 more, so that's 5, and we need 1 more. Come on, join us.
You collected
Yay.
enough animals for your group.
How about a grasshopper?
Hop to it. Stay away from animals that might eat you.
Okay, friends, we need to stay away from lizards and spiders.
Find this much food.
So we need 25 foods, friends. Are you ready? I'm so excited.
Tap to jump.
Grasshoppers, hop, hop, hop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Uh-oh, you got eaten. Try again or make your own level.
That's okay. So we got 22 out of 25. That's very good. Let's choose a different animal now.
Big dig.
I chose marmot.
Stay away from animals that might eat you.
Okay, those are the things that we
Find
need
this
to
much
avoid.
food.
And we need
Tap to
16
go down.
foods. Let's do this. What if we stay underground? I think we'll be safe if we stay underground. That way we don't get eaten. So that's 1 food. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, gotta stay there. 13. There's the hawk. 14, 15, and last one.
You've collected
16.
enough food.
Good job. Let's choose blue crab.
Grab. Stay away from animals that might eat you.
Hopefully we
Find
won't
this
get
much
eaten.
food.
And those are the kinds of food
Tap
that
to
the
go
crab
down.
eats. Let's do it. We need 9 food. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we gotta stay away from the fish. Oh
You got
no.
eaten. Try again or make your own level.
Let's choose flying frog.
Frog flight. Stay away from animals that might eat you. Find this much food.
We need
Tap to
8.
jump.
Frogs eat other insects. Let's jump. That's 1 out of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 2 more. 7. 1 more.
You've collected enough food.
We did it. How about dingo?
Hungry dingo.
Dingoes are an ancient lineage of dogs
Find as
in
much
Australia.
food as you can before time runs out.
We have 30 seconds.
Tap to attack.
Let's count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30.
A bunch of food.
Let's choose cowbird.
Bird herd.
Let's stay away from eagles.
Stay away from animals that might eat you. Add this many animals to your group.
We need 6.
Tap to go up.
All right, join the group. That's 1. 2. Oh no, we got eaten.
Try again or make your own level.
I had so much fun playing with you. Remember, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and that's okay. The important thing is that we got to learn and we had a great time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, friends.